In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sign-up forms for your Shopify store in Klaviyo. We'll start in your Klaviyo dashboard. From the main menu, open Integrations, then choose Explore Apps. In the Klaviyo Marketplace, use the search bar to find Shopify and open the Shopify integration page. Click Install to connect Shopify and Klaviyo. This ensures your forms will display on your storefront and new signups will flow straight into your lists. Once installed, head back to Klaviyo. In Integrations, select Website, then open Sign Up Forms. Click Create Form to begin. You can start from a blank form if you prefer total control or browse templates. The search box helps you quickly find a design. First, decide on your form style, pop-up, flyout, or embedded, so it matches how you want it to appear on your site. Next, pick a template type that aligns with your goal, like collecting emails or announcing promotions. You can also filter by seasons and holidays if you want a timely look. When you see one you like, select it to continue. Give your form a clear internal name so your team can identify it later. Then choose the email subscriber list where new signups should be added. Select the correct email list from the drop-down and click Create Form. In the editor, customize the content and design based on your preferences. Update the headline and body copy to communicate your value clearly, and add or remove fields such as first name to capture only what you need. Match the colors and fonts to your brand, and adjust the image or background if the template includes one. Set behavior and targeting so the form appears at the right time, such as on exit intent, after a short delay, or only on certain pages, and limit how often it shows to returning visitors. Edit the success step to confirm the subscription and optionally display a discount code. For compliance, include a brief consent line or link to your privacy policy, and consider double opt-in if it fits your region's requirements. When everything looks good, click Publish. With the Shopify integration in place, your form will go live on your store and start capturing visitors into the list you selected. From there, your welcome flow can handle new subscribers automatically, and you can monitor performance and make updates anytime in the Klaviyo Forms dashboard. That's it. You've created and published a Shopify-ready sign-up form in Klaviyo.